X Limited has spent rupees 55,000 for research of a product. Life of the product is 1 year. Variable cost for manufacturing a product is likely to be rupees 6 lakhs 50,000, and the same can be sold for rupees 7 lakhs. Ignoring time value of money concept, you are required to answer that whether the product should be manufactured, that is the question. So over here we are required to take a decision whether the company should manufacture the product or not, and in this decision making we have to ignore time value of money concept. Please post your answer in the chat box. Let us have understanding that say how to take the decision over here. Basically we understand that say over here, first of all let us have understanding. The company has two options. The first option is the company may manufacture the product, and another is so the company do not manufacture the product. If at all the company will manufacture the product, what would be the sales value? We understand that it would be 7 lakhs. Variable cost for manufacturing of the product is 6 lakh 50,000. There is a research and development expense which has been incurred 55,000. All these expenses are deducted from the revenue to find profit or loss. And unfortunately there is a loss of 5,000 rupees. If at all we do not manufacture the product, sales value would be 0. Variable cost would be 0. However, the research expense has already been incurred. So now there is a loss of 55,000. Which one is better? Manufacture or do not manufacture? Of course, manufacturing. Why? Because it is having comparatively lower loss. This is the way we understand a decision. Before I dictate this answer to you, I have a small question. Suppose that sales value is 6 lakhs 80,000 instead of 7 lakhs. Then in that case, whether we should manufacture the product, that is my question. So friends, we understand, suppose the sales value is 6 lakhs. Then in that case 680 minus 650 minus 55,000. So again there is a loss, and the amount of the loss this time is 25,000. Yet 25,000 is lower than 55,000. So we understand that our answer will remain same, that the company should manufacture the product. This is what we understand. One more question. Suppose the sales value is, instead of 680, let us say that the sales value is 6,60,000. Then what the company should do? That is my question. We understand that say, again over here we can make a computation like this. This is 6,60,000 minus 650, so there is a loss of 45,000, and 45,000 is lower than 55,000, so we should manufacture the product. One last question. Suppose the sales value is 6,51,000. 651. Whether the company should manufacture the product? So over here, 6,51,000 minus 650 minus 55,000. So there is a loss. How much? 54,000. Yet it is less than 55,000. So like a smart student like you can always tell me that, sir, what are you doing? You just make a comparison of these two. That the sale value and the variable cost. You do not have to consider this for the purpose of decision making, because that is like a cost which you already have incurred. That is an amount which you already have spent. An amount which you already have spent is given a technical name as sunk cost. It is given a technical name as sunk cost. So we should ignore that expense for the purpose of decision making. We should take into account the prospective revenue and prospective expenses. If at all the prospective revenue is exceeding the prospective expenses, then in that case we should manufacture the product. An amount which has already been spent is whether 55,000 or 5,55,000. Even in that case, we are not concerned with it. This is what's the point that we understand over here in this question. So let us answer for the question now. Heading right down, sunk cost. That is the heading of the answer. And write down answer. The company is advised to manufacture the product comma because sales value exceeds variable cost. In bracket write down 7 lakhs is greater than 6,50,000. Full stop. An amount which has already been spent should not be considered in decision making. Full stop. It should be ignored because it is sunk cost. Full stop.